In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people in a Microsoft Teams channel. When you're working in Microsoft Teams, getting the right people into the right channel is really important. It's how you make sure everyone sees the same messages, files, and updates. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to invite people to a channel using the Invite Members icon, and I'll also explain what's actually happening so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your browser if you're using the web version. Make sure you're signed in with the account you use for work or school. Once Teams is open, look at the list of teams and channels on the left-hand side. Click on the specific team and then the channel where you want to invite people. You need to be inside that exact channel for the next step to work. Now that you're in the channel, look towards the top right area of the window. You should see an icon that looks like an invite or add members option, often represented by a person with a plus sign or something similar. This is the invite members icon. Go ahead and click on that. When you click the invite members icon, a small window or panel will pop up. Here, you'll be able to type in the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. As you start typing, Teams will usually suggest people from your organization. Click on the correct person in the list or finish typing the full email address if they're not suggested automatically. After you've added everyone you want to invite, look for a button to confirm, such as add or invite, and click it. Teams will now send the invitations and add those people to the channel. They'll be able to see the conversations, shared files, and any new messages from that point forward. If someone tells you they didn't receive the invite, ask them to check the Teams app directly, not just their email, and make sure you spelled their name or email correctly. Also keep in mind that in some organizations, you may need to have the right permissions to invite external guests. So if it doesn't work, you might need to contact your IT or admin. And that's it. By clicking the invite members icon on the right side and adding the people you need, you can quickly bring your teammates into any Microsoft Teams channel and keep your collaboration organized and up to date.